गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस, होप यू आर ऑल डूइंग वेल। इट्स मंडे टुडे। उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको पिछला ब्लॉग पसंद आया होगा। सो पिछले ब्लॉग में वी ट्रेन्ड अ क्लाइंट टू लर्न अबाउट डेड लिफ्ट्स, बट ही वॉज young individual as compared to today's client. So today we will try to explain him how to do a hip hinge and how to do a deadlift. So let's see how it goes and उनका progress कैसे होता है। तो ओवर द नेक्स्ट फ्यू व्लॉग्स आई बी शेयरिंग हिज प्रोग्रेस रिगार्डिंग डेडलिफ्ट। सो जैसे हम लोग ने लास्ट व्लॉग में आफ्टर 3 months वी लर्न टू डू स्पॉट लंजेस, तो वी विल आई ऑल्सो शेयर कि हाउ ही लर्न्स डूइंग अ डेडलिफ्ट एंड देन धीरे धीरे हाउ वी ग्रेजुअली इंक्रीज द इंटेंसिटी, द वॉल्यूम, द लोड। तो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। So today we'll learn a new exercise. Okay, this is a functional exercise, just like in squats. We sit and stand, which is what we do in our daily activities. So functional exercises are those which we do in our daily activities. We also do pick up something from the ground. The name of the exercise is dead lift. So first I'll show you one time and then you try to do it then. Okay, so any weight that you're picking up, that weight needs to be closer to your body. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll get closer to the weights. Now just like in squats, you are holding this kettlebell here, right? And then you're going down and squatting like this. Okay, same thing, you will go down, you keep your hands like this. Okay, now in this one, instead of squatting, you will hinge your hips. Okay, what I mean by hinging my hips is, ये book है. Okay, let's say this is your, ये आपका hip joint है. Okay, and then this is your back and these are your hamstrings. Okay, so you are standing straight now. Okay, now when I ask you to bend forward, you will do this. Okay, you will bend your back. Okay, but when I ask you to hinge your hip, you will throw your glutes backwards. So you see there's a slight movement in the knees as well. Knees यहाँ से चालू होंगे. तो bending forward is only this. We don't want this. Okay, I want you to hinge your hips. Okay, there's a difference also between bending forward and hinging hips, and there's a difference between hinging hips and completely squatting down. In hinging my hips, I don't bend my knees as much as I would do in squats. So this is hinging my hips. Now when I hinge my hips, make sure that your back is neutral. Okay, तो ये ऐसे ही जाएगा. Okay, so when I'm hinging my hips, if you watch me from the side, my back should not go like this. Okay, back should remain straight. Okay, so now with the weights, I come over the weights, I will hinge my hips. Okay, and try to reach the weights, lift it up. Okay, then again same thing, hinge my hips, go down, touch and lift it up. Okay, I'm not asking you to squat. This is squat. I don't want you to squat. I want you to hinge your hips and lift it up. Try. Yes. पहले विदाउट वेट ट्राई करेंगे. बैक स्ट्रेट रखो, ठीक है, हाथ ऐसे ही रखो, नी को और फोल्ड भी करते जाना है. ये दोनों पॉइंट है ना, ये दोनों पॉइंट टच करो. आई डोंट वांट यू टू श्रग्स नहीं करने, पीछे. यस, ये ठीक है. नाउ मेंटेन दैट पोस्चर, हाथ इधर रखो. नाउ दिस पार्ट यू हैव टू पुश इट बैकवर्ड्स. तो नीज बेंड भी करना है साथ में. हाँ, कीप योर बैक स्ट्रेट, कीप योर बैक स्ट्रेट. देखो ये दूर हो गए ना, ये दूर हो गए ना, तो इसको नज़दीक करना है. हाँ, गुड. अभी नीज बेंड करो, नीज बेंड, नीज बेंड, नीज बेंड, नीज बेंड, नीज बेंड एंड अप. गुड, दिस वाज गुड. Repeat that, knees bend, knees bend, knees bend, knees bend and up. Good. Chest out, knees bend, chest out, knees bend, chest out, knees bend. Very nice, very nice. Repeat this 5 times. Chest out, knees bend. Very nice. Imagine there's a wall in front of you. Good. Good. Last 2 reps. Shoulder over the barbell. Neck neutral. Chalo. Neck neutral. Without breathing. Core engage and lift. Very nice. 1, 2. Very nice. Go all the way down. Start. Very nice. 1, 2, 3. थोड़ा आगे. Here, just beside the palm. Very nice. Lift up. Good. Press your hips. Pivot hand. Here, touch. Try to reach out, reach out, reach out. Yes. And ऊपर. ऊper. Turn, turn, turn. Yes. 2. Again. Repeat. 3. Again. Go. 9. 10. 5 more. 2. 3. देना अभी वैसे ही खड़े रहो, बस एक पैर आगे डालो वहीं पे. ओपन अप. वेरी नाइस. 5. वेरी नाइस. 6. कोर एंगेज रखना है. अगेन वेरी गुड. पुश. 8. अगेन. गुड. 2. लॉक योर हिप्स. गुड. 6. बस ऐसे ही रख दो नीचे. नहीं, एक और करना है. वो वार्म अप सेट होता है ना. ये तो पहला 2 वर्किंग सेट किए.
हंसदे चेहरिਆਂ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਦੇ
इजी था. आप ही ने बोला. आपने बोला इजी था.
आपने बुलवाया इजी था ना. ये और तू ऐसा होता है.
ولا سرت في مان يا اخي دوس دوس عندي خوش فصله يا اخي تفوز تفوز والله خوش رقصه.
8. Again. No. That's it.
ऊपर ही जा रहा है ना.
नहीं, that's fine. चलो वहाँ पर.
वो बाकी रहेगा.
हाँ फिर.
जगह भूल जाओगे.
और थोड़ा आगे आ जाओ. हाँ. Now go slide down. Very nice. Hold that. 2. Done. 4. Knee straight, knee straight, knee straight. 3. 2 more. Go all the way down and up. Good. Last one. Heart rate 156. 8. 9. Okay, turn around. Straight down. Very good. 14. पैर थोड़ा और दूर डालो. So guys, आज है सैटरडे. सुबह के 10 बजे हैं. मैंने सारे अपने आज के सेशंस कंप्लीट कर दिए. And now I'm on the way to my gym. So this wasn't even planned. One of you who trains at my gym came up to me and said ki coach, can you share something for people who are stuck in between those back-to-back meetings and calls for the entire day in the office. So I said yes, it makes much more sense because not everyone has time for a full workout, but हर किसी के पास 2 minutes तो होते ही है. So today I'll be breaking down some mobility exercises that you can literally do at your desk. Nothing fancy, no equipment, and more importantly, no excuses. So let's get into it. Shoulder roll over. Inhale, lift your shoulders to your ears. Exhale, roll them back and down. Slow and deliberate but not rushed. The tension in your desk built up all morning starts releasing here. You can also try to do it with just your hands like so. Next one is shoulder retraction. Sit tall. Squeeze your shoulder blades together like you're trying to hold a pencil between them. Hold 5 seconds, 10 reps. Weak scapular muscles are a silent driver of neck pain. The third one is ear to shoulder stretch. Tilt your head until your ear moves towards your shoulder. Don't shrug to see it or look down. Hold 30 seconds per side 3 rounds. On fourth are the wall chin tucks. Stand with your back against a wall. Gently press your head back until it touches. Don't bend your neck down. Hold 5 seconds, 10 reps. This is the single most effective reset for forward head posture. And on number 5 is the chair stretch. Stand behind the chair, reach both arms behind you and grip the back. Open your chest, lift your chin slightly, hold 20 seconds. Everything your screen posture collapses, this undoes it. So those were a few exercises that you can try for yourself and share it with your friends who you think would benefit from them. एंड यहाँ तक व्लॉग अगर देख लिया है तो प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना, बट मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली बी द बेस्ट वर्जन ऑफ योर सेल्फ एंड इंस्पायर अदर्स टू बी द बेस्ट वर्जन ऑफ देमसेल्फ. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन.